Good morning. It's day 3 of Pumpkintober, and I'm going to make pumpkin waffles. I got my little waffle maker starting to heat up, and I'm used to instant waffle mix because this is a lot of ingredients. So we need 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup yellow cornmeal, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground ginger, a pinch of ground nutmeg, a pinch of ground cloves, 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 1/4 cups buttermilk, 1/2 cup pumpkin puree, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So the only ingredient I did not have was the buttermilk, so I did have to run to the store to get the buttermilk. So you mix all the dry ingredients together, and then you mix all the wet ingredients, which sugar is counting as a wet ingredient, and then you take those 2 bowls and combine everything, and that is your waffle batter. My waffle maker comes with a cup, so you know the exact amount that is going to fit into your waffle maker. So if yours doesn't have a cup, I don't know what to tell you. You have to look online to see how much batter you pour into your waffle iron. So let me get all these, let me get 2 bowls and let me pull out all these ingredients and get them mixed together. Here's all my dry ingredients in 1 bowl. Here's all my wet ingredients in 1 bowl. Now I'm going to whisk them separately and then combine them. Maybe I should have used my metal one for this. Smells really good. Do I see any eggs? I think I got it all. Since the dry bowl is bigger, I'm gonna put the wet into the dry bowl. I need 2 hands for this. Here's all the batter whipped together. It actually doesn't look like a lot. I'm gonna guesstimate that this is gonna make 4 waffles. So let me get my waffle iron. It does say to lightly spray your waffle iron. I do have a butter spray that I spray for the first batch, but I don't really spray for the rest. 1 spray during like 1 batch of waffles. To me, a batch of waffles is 4. 1 spray is all I need. The batter made 5 waffles. I'm not for sure why I didn't record the waffle in the waffle iron. I don't know. Anyway, so I got 1 for me, 1 for Robert. I definitely do not make the prettiest waffles. And then the 3 to the side. So let me call Robert down and we will do a taste test. I will say they're not as firm as other waffles that I've made, but they still held up. So let's see what they taste like. All right, and for waffles and pancakes, Robert likes pure maple syrup. For whatever reason, I don't. I like the Mrs. Butterworth, which I'm sure is just some kind of corn syrup, but it's what I grew up with. That's what I like. His mom apparently bought the real deal, and so no. Did you grow up with Butterworth?
Yeah, and then I got the real stuff, and I'm like, why would I want corn syrup when I can have tree sap? So
you take your tree sap, I'm taking my corn syrup. All right, here we go. First, I'm gonna take a bite with no syrup. Let's see. I don't taste pumpkin.
I do actually.
You taste pumpkin?
Yeah, there's no sweet to that part, but you can taste the spices.
I taste the cornmeal. I don't taste pumpkin. Robert says he does.
I taste it 100%.
Do you like it?
I do.
You can be honest. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
I taste cornmeal.
I taste that too. I don't know why that's in there.
I think I would do it again.
It's like
and leave
pumpkin
out the
bread.
cornmeal and just replace that
It's
with.
a less sugary pumpkin bread. I mean,
Yeah, there's not enough sugar in it.
I don't know why there's corn.
I would get rid of the cornmeal and just substitute regular flour because I don't like the cornmeal taste. I think regular flour would be just fine. Maybe it needs more than half a cup of pumpkin puree. He says he tastes it. I'm usually pretty good, sensitive stuff about tasting, but see in the background, those are banana peppers. I need a can tonight. Anyway, I can't say I would do this recipe again. Only because I love waffles. We make waffles all the time. I wouldn't do this specific one because there's just not enough pumpkin flavor. If someone told me if there was a taste test, a blind taste test, I would not say this was a pumpkin waffle. It tastes like a waffle. I'm gonna eat it. But I really need that pumpkin taste and it's not there for me. Even before I doused it with the high fructose corn syrup or whatever it is. So, what are you doing? He's walking the cat.
He's talking.
Ollie, where are you at?
He's right there.
Where are you at, Ollie? Is it dinner time? He
Hungry?
eats over there. You want dinner? He's like, you guys are eating. I need to eat too. All right.
He's standing by that door.
Robert will feed Ollie and I will finish my waffle. Don't let my negative review, give it a shot. If you have extra pumpkin puree, just for me personally, not enough pumpkin, but it's a waffle. Can't go wrong with a waffle. So I'll see you tomorrow with another pumpkin recipe. Ollie's like, come on, feed me. Would you like a pumpkin waffle?